you're safe.
This is my partner in crime right now.
John.
This is partner in crime. Ew, you're sweaty.
Okay.
And they have a sunburn.
Uh-huh.
I love you, Michael.
Uh-huh.
There's some guys gonna watch this on like YouTube or something. I'm Michael. You love me.
Oh my god, I'm so special.
No one
I love you too.
He is her brother-in-law's cousin's sister's towel bar.
Okay.
You're a towel bar? That is amazing.
Towel bar.
You on the right?
Where's she been a towel bar?
Yes, thank you.
Would you stop?
Good day. Pick one. Which one are you going on? Pick one. Just sit down. Recorder says sit down. Yes, I recorded you. Yes, I did.
Now they're gonna make that video like inappropriate for that person.
Okay. Poor kid. What was that?
Michael, this is for you. Even though the pride isn't that bad.
It's raining.
Look at Austin Converse. We're awesome, okay?
Earthquake. 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 No stripping on the camera. Porno. What? Yeah, stop stripping. That's disturbing. The poor guy. Sitting there while you're stripping. It's okay. Flashing a 13-year-old. Flashing a 13-year-old. If you're planning on showing Michael this.
Your theme song should be really inconvenient.
You want to go with him?
Hey, Cass. There's a couple minutes of the grass.
That's alright. I can